Hello everyone, we are from Team INS Ranvijay and we are proposing a solution for the open innovation theme on a very serious issue as every second more than 40 people die due to misdiagnosis in India alone. One of the major reasons contributing to the same is unknown medical history of the patient. In most accidental cases, the patient is unconscious and thus all relevant details such as blood group, past illnesses, hereditary diseases, and disorders are unknown. A lot of time is lost in gathering such details, which may result in life threatening conditions. Most of these cases can be avoided by simple centralized access of medical history and documents. We have proposed a centralized records management system called MedView, which is an Android application where users can upload their medical documents, past illnesses, current conditions, and doctors will be verified before onboarding. Doctors, in case of emergencies, can use the patient's biometric info, phone, or UID to fetch the relevant details even if the patient is unconscious. All the data will be stored in encrypted form and shall remain inaccessible to all other parties. Let's have a quick view of the prototype. As we can see on the screen, there is an option to choose the role if you are belonging to the medical team, such as if you are a medical professional, such as uh, from the hospital or a doctor, or if you are a user. So let's just first quickly go through the user side of the profile. Here we get the sign in and login page. So if I'm a new user, so I'll register quickly. So I'll write my name as Arika Srivastav. I'll put my age and my blood group. I'll put my phone number, just putting some random digits here. I'm putting my Aadhaar number, which is also a unique ID provided here in India to every citizen. I'm adding my gender as female. So I'm successfully registered here. Now, as you can see here, we have four tiles. Number one is the documents. We can add the previous reports from this plus sign. We can add all the previous reports or anything, and we can just click this upload record, and as you can see, we have this COVID report and diabetes reports and sample reports. Past illnesses, if we open that, if we tap on that, we can get all the kinds of diseases that the user was having. This is all a sample app. We can see the profile, the user profile. It's also all editable, and we can also check the nearby hospitals. So this was it for the user. We can add the reports and everything. Now let's see the medical team side of the profile. So I'm going to register quickly one more time. I'm going to put my age in here, add a specialization, putting some random details here, and put my gender and add a password. This is all highly encrypted, and we are storing it using the JTW, and PostgreSQL database is also used here. So we've opened this, and this is what our profile looks like right now. So the doctor can also search any user using the Aadhaar number of the user, and that way, let me just quickly enter the Aadhaar number and search for it. That way we can, like, the doctor will get to know all of the details of the user, the blood group and the previous records, the documents, everything can be seen here. That will save a lot of time if the user is an accidental case, so a lot of time will be saved. And after we log in, we register in the app, and all the data is getting stored using a Spring Boot server as backend and Postgres SQL for database. All the files are encrypted and stored in the AWS S3 bucket, and only authorized users can access the data. We are using a highly scalable continuous integration and continuous delivery pipeline using AWS Code Pipeline. This app could be a boon if used widely. As Steve Warner rightly said, maybe I couldn't help everyone survive, but I could at least save this one life. So, thank you. This was it. Thanks for your time.